Hello and welcome back. So, in this problem, we need to calculate the sum of all the digits of a given number, right? So, we need to find a remainder. I think we will need a while loop as well, right? To do that, what we can do is let's declare a variable sum, right? And let's initialize it to be zero, right? Otherwise, it will be garbage value. While a number is greater than zero, right? Let's loop until that time. Of course, we will need the base condition. Right, and first of all, we need to find the remainder of it, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 divide by 4, 5 divide by 0, right? The remainder will be something, right? But what we need to do is we need to do sum equals to sum plus equals to sum equals to sum plus num remainder of 10. Okay, that's what we need to do. And next line, what we need to do is we need to uh, exit the loop as well, right? We need to change the number every iteration, right? In that situation, what we can do is number divide by 10. If we do that, what would happen is in the first instance, we would get the value of 5, right? Remainder will be 5, our sum will be 5, right? And what would be the 10? What would be the divisor? Could be, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 into 10, right? And then in the next iteration, what happens? We go over there. What's the number now? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it would be 4 that would come out, right? So our sum is 9, right? And then what happens over here again? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's 1, 2, 3, right? Then it would go back 1, 2, 3. 3 would be popped out, 3 would be added up. So it would be 9 plus 3, right? And then after that, what would happen? The number would be 1, 2, 3 divided by 10, right? And that would be 120, right? That would be 12, I mean, right? And then next iteration, that's how it will work basically. And of course, we need to return the sum at the very end, right? Whatever the sum is. Let's just run the code. Should work. Yep. Let's see the solution as well. Okay, what is it doing? Okay, it's just doing thing recursion. Okay, it's just doing recursion. Okay, that's one way to do it. Another guy is doing something similar. Right, I think only one person is using recursion. In the recursion, I think that guy is only passing this thing. So the number will be every time divided by 10, right? That's what he will be passing basically. Okay, so that's how we can solve this particular problem. If you have any questions or doubt regarding this, right, just think like the remainder and divisor, you will be all right. Okay, that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. If you don't understand, do comment down below. Take care. Bye bye.